Ampun jemaah.
One of the most famous art from this province is the Inang dance, which comes from the Pariaman area, especially the Minangkabau tribe. This dance later transformed into a popular and the most traditional art in Indonesia. The word Inang in the name of this dance comes from the Inang language, which means a small tambourine. Another name for the Inang dance is the Dinding Badinding dance. In the dance process, this dance is almost the same as the Semen dance from Aceh. The difference is that Inang dance has a slower tempo. This traditional dance is a dance resulting from acculturation or cultural mixing between Islamic religious culture and local culture. The Western is that in the Aceh region to the land of Padang Pariaman.
Salah satu kesenian yang paling terkenal dari provinsi ini adalah tari Indang yang berasal dari daerah Pariaman, khususnya suku Minangkabau.